Welcome everyone. I'm Ritika Suri from Google Cloud, and I'm absolutely delighted to be joined by Jarrod Buckley from Datadog. Google Cloud and Datadog have built a strong partnership over the many years, and it's absolutely incredible to see how that collaboration and partnership continues to go strong and grow.
Thank you, Ritika. It's great to be here. We're incredibly proud of our partnership with Google Cloud and the impact we're having together, helping customers build, scale, and operate modern cloud and AI workloads with confidence.
So Jarrod, let's start with the big picture. Datadog and Google Cloud have been working together for many years. How would you describe the value of our partnership for our joint customers?
Our partnership is about helping customers move faster without making sacrifices in reliability, security, or cost efficiency. Datadog supports integrations with 35 plus Google Cloud services, giving joint customers full visibility into their environment in minutes. With the ability to purchase Datadog through Google Cloud Marketplace, an increasingly popular choice for our joint customers, teams can simplify their procurement and retire Google Cloud committed spend.
Let's talk AI. AI is top of mind for so many of our customers. They recognize its power and want to build with Vertex AI and Agent Development Kit. But they need the confidence that they can operate these tools safely at scale. Where does Datadog fit in?
You're absolutely right. As more organizations move AI workloads into production, observability becomes increasingly critical to ensure unexpected behavior doesn't frustrate customers and create security or cost issues. Datadog's AI observability empowers our joint customers to troubleshoot performance issues, optimize for cost, and ensure security at each layer of the stack.
That's great to hear, Jarrod. Anything new to highlight that our customers would be excited to hear?
Datadog has long provided LLM and GPU monitoring capabilities, but as agent systems have become increasingly popular, a need has emerged for new monitoring capabilities that can track agent decision-making. Datadog has released auto-instrumentation support for Google's Agent Development Kit and Datadog LLM Observability. Now, Google Cloud users can set up observability for their systems in minutes to monitor agent decisions, identify cost drivers, and resolve performance and security issues.
That's really exciting to hear, and it's exciting for our joint customers.
Thank you, Ritika. If you're building on Google Cloud, we'd love for you to try Datadog with a free trial, which includes all of our products, to see how Datadog can help you build with confidence.
Thank you, Jarrod, and the Datadog team for your partnership.